Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all about getting the kitchen clean. It's just a quick clean with me, nothing deep down and crusty going on here, just regular cleaning. So why don't you put this video on, enjoy the music, and get some tidying up done with me in your kitchen. I'm going to be washing the floor and doing dishes and just regular everyday cleaning. So let's get this done together, and hopefully it'll be a nice fresh start to your weekend so you guys don't have to worry about clutter or dishes, although everybody has dishes every day, don't they? Yeah, how are you guys doing? I'm having a really great day today, and I'm excited to put this video up, and I think it's going to be a great weekend, and I'm very excited for it. So let me know in the comments what you guys are going to be doing. I would love to know.
I wish you'd stay, but there you go. I have so much I wanna say to you, much I wanna say, but there's no time. We used it all. Still have so much I wanna talk about, but I messed it up and there you go. There you go, walking out that door. It felt so close, closer than it felt before. And yeah, I know that I always hurt your feelings. Yeah, I know that you'll never be forgiving me, and I just want you to know I didn't mean it. Baby, I just wanna be with you. I should be with you. There is so much that I would change about the way I treated you. I don't deserve a second chance. I know that I'm way too late, cause I messed it up and there you go. There you go, walking out that door. It felt so close, closer than it felt before. Forgiving me, and I just want you to know I didn't mean it. Baby, I just wanna be with you. I should be with you.
Lights out, hearts beating faster in a minute. I'm high on slow dancing with you. 1, 2, 3, keep it going, last forever. All blacked out, then flying with you. I don't care that my mind's gone insane and my heart will burst into flames. No, I don't care about the heartache and pain. Just don't let the memories fade. We know we are lost, in love with a lust, but heart trumps the mind, so we'll win anyway. Yeah, we own the sun, naive, wild and drunk. Oh, cause it's all up when I'm with you, I'm with you. gotta lie. You feel that beat getting harder, floating on it. We're rebels at least for tonight. I don't care that my mind's gone insane and my heart will burst into flames. No, I don't care about the heartache and pain. Just don't let the memories fade. We know we are lost, in love with a lust, but heart drums the mind, so we'll win anyway. Yeah, we own the sun, naive, wild and drunk. Oh, 'cause it's all up when I'm with ya, I'm with ya. I'm with ya. We know we are lost, in love with the lust, but heart drums the mind, so we'll win anyway.
Do you guys ever play dish rack Jenga? I think I'm gonna hashtag that and put it on Instagram. So if y'all do the same thing, make sure you tag me and use the hashtag dish rack Jenga. And let's see who can stack the highest without it falling. I'm just kidding. Be careful, don't use glass. I don't want you breaking anything.
I'm all alone in my hotel room. I'm getting drunk on booze from the mini bar. I wonder what you're up to. I shouldn't call you up, I know your number by heart. I see you wherever I go, and you don't even know. You are the stranger in the corner on the second floor. You're the girl next door, the girl next door. The stranger in the corner on the second floor. You're the girl next door. I know you're miles away from me, but still I dream of you and say your name in my sleep. Tell me, isn't that crazy? Just wanna call you up and tell you how I feel. I see you wherever I go, and you don't even know. You are the stranger in the corner on the second floor. You're the girl next door, the girl next door. The stranger in the corner on the second floor. You're the girl next door. You're the girl next door, yeah, girl next door.
So this shoe rack is always a horrendous eyesore. With 7 people in this house, and who the heck knows how many pairs of shoes. It's just always just full of stuff. Like the kids toss their shoes on and then they come inside and they're like all over the floors, and then I just pick them up and I toss them up there. Or the kids come in and they pick them up and they happen to get them on the shoe rack. They're obviously not placed like I place them in here, which is fine. I don't mind cleaning it out, but I just, do you guys have the same problem? Does anybody put their shoes back where they belong, or are there always just kind of shoes everywhere? Do you guys keep shoes in bedrooms, or do you guys keep them in like a mudroom, kitchen area, by the front door? What's your shoe situation?
I don't wanna save ya, don't wanna be strangers. Let me feel like you know what to do. Leave your limitations, live and go against them. Just let go and start up something new. Cause I know that what you planned out, everything that you built up, isn't what you want. And I know the life you're living isn't that fulfilling. Let me help you out. Lay your love on me, leave your head and let your mind be free. Save yourself and leave the words you've spoken, cause some dreams are meant to be broken. Lay your love on me, leave your head and let your mind be free. Save yourself and leave the words you've spoken, cause some dreams are meant to be broken. everything that you built up isn't what you want. And I know the life you're living isn't that fulfilling. Let me help you out. Lay your love on me. Leave your head and let your mind be free. Save yourself and leave the words you've spoken. 'Cause some dreams are meant to be broken. Lay your love on me. Leave your head and let your mind be free. Save yourself and leave the words you've spoken. 'Cause some dreams are meant to be broken.
I absolutely love magic erasers. I know I am not the only one, so please leave a cute little sparkly emoji down below if you also use Mr. Clean Magic erasers for projects around the house. It is the only thing that I have ever found that cleans that weird residue from people touching doors and like door frames and stuff. It just takes it right off. I don't know what the heck they're made of, and I don't look it up online to know what the ingredients are because I'm worried it's going to be some kind of chemical combination or some kind of product that it turns out isn't good for people, and then I won't use it anymore. And that will be very sad because it works so good. Have you guys found anything comparable to using these for that grimy hand situation for the door frames? Does any?
You told me more than once to show you my intention. My brain gets blocked at times, but now somehow I'll give you my attention. You've got to know that I ain't a person who understands all the clockwork of our romance. You make me feel so alive, always there in my mind. But I just don't know if I'll dance with the lights on. If you're gonna be moving on solo, wait a second, 'cause they're playing the best song. I'll be there if you reach out to me. Reach out to me. Reach out to me. I'm a rolling stone tonight, never to be settled. Though I know I can't deny your eyes, I've got this inner battle. I don't know how to act. I ain't a person who understands the commitments of a romance, but somehow I need you close. I'll go wherever you go. But I just don't know if I'll dance with the lights on. If you're gonna be moving on solo, wait a second, 'cause they're playing the best song. I'll be there if you reach out to me. Reach out to me. Reach out to me. I'm done with searching for the truth somewhere else when I just want you. There was a void in my soul. Now I found my true home. But I just don't know if I'll dance with the lights on. If you're gonna be moving on solo, wait a second, 'cause they're playing the best song. I'll be there if you reach out to me. Reach out to me.
for joining me while I tidy up our kitchen. Sorry, I almost called it my kitchen. It's not my kitchen. There's no business kitchen. It felt really good to get it clean. It felt really good to get the floor clean because my nephew spends a lot of his time toddling around and spilling his yogurt and whatnot on the floor, so it felt really good to clean it up. Yeah, thanks for joining me, and I hope you subscribe and like so that you can catch up on the next video, and thanks for watching.